Hello everyone. Thanks for joining me in my today's video presentation. My name is Praveenayal. I am a student at Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering, Bangalore. In today's video presentation of network management, we are going to be seeing a detailed discussion about the organizational models of network. So, the contents of today's video are introduction, what is a network organizational structure, two-tier network management model, three-tier network management management model with MOM, and finally conclusion. So let's get started. Introduction. An organizational structure is a system outlining how an organization conducts activities to reach its short and long-term goals. While there are various types, organizations that prioritize open communication often adopt network structures. By learning what a network structure means, you can determine whether this system better suits a selected organization. In this article, we explain what is a network organizational structure is, discuss its benefits and challenges, and explore other organizational structure types. Moving on. What is a network organizational structure? A network organizational structure is a system that involves interacting with internal and external parties to deliver a product or service. For example, suppose an organizational designs shirts for customer and has leader who rather focuses on design than production or retail. To maintain control of their product, the organization may rent retail space through their network and purchase production capabilities from a partner organization. While designing shirts, a partnership network can ensure its complete or other essential operations. A network structure prioritizes collaboration and positive relationship more than hierarchical relationship. By focusing on core competence, each organization can offer its best products or services to reach defined goals. Now, coming to two-tier network management organization model. In two-tier network management model, there are two primary layers or tiers. Network operation tiers. This tier focuses on day-to-day operation and monitoring of the network. Its responsibilities include tasks like monitoring network performance, troubleshooting network issues, and ensuring the network's availability and reliability. Network administrators at this level handle routine tasks and resolve basic problems. Second, network engineering tier. This is tier 2. This tier is responsible for designing, planning, and implementing network changes and improvements. Network engineers at this level work on more complex tasks such as network architecture, capacity planning, security, and implementing new techniques. They collaborate with Tier 1 to ensure that the network operates smoothly. In this model, the separation between the operational and engineering tasks allow for specialization and effective management. It simplifies the network management structure but may not be sufficient for large or complex networks. Advantages of two-tier architecture. Simplicity. Two-tier architecture is relatively simple to implement and manage. Cost efficient. It requires fewer hardware sources, making it cost efficient for smaller applications. Faster performance. With fewer layers, data retrieval can be faster. Limitations of two-tier architecture. Scalability issues. It can be challenging to scale as all the processing is done on the server. Limited security. Security measures are limited to the server-client communication. Moving on, three-tier network management organization model. A three-tier network management model adds an additional layer to the structure, which offers more specialization and scalability. The three tiers are network operation tier, which is the tier 1. Similar to Tier 1 in the two-tier model, this layer focuses on day-to-day network operation and monitoring. Network engineering tier. This tier is responsible for network design, capability planning, capacity planning, and implementation of network changes. It corresponds to Tier 2 in the two-tier model. Lastly, network strategy and planning tier. This tier is focused on long-term planning and strategic decision related to network. Responsibilities may include evaluating emerging technologies, defining network policies and standards, and aligning the network infrastructure with the organization's business goals. The three-tier model provides more comprehensive approach to network management with clear separation of operational engineering and strategic roles. It is often referred for larger and more complex networks where specialized expertise is required at each and every level. Coming to advantages of three-tier architecture. Scalability. It offers better scalability as the application server can be scaled independently. Enhanced security. The data security is improved within the additional layer. Improved maintenance. Changes in the application logic can be made without affecting the database layer. Lastly, limitations of three-tier architecture. Complexity. It is more complex to implement and maintain than the two-tier architecture. Higher costs. The additional layer, application server, can increase the infrastructure costs. Moving on to the last topic of this presentation, network with MOM. In the context of network management, MOM typically stands for Manager of Managers. A manager of managers is a network management model that is used to streamline and simplify the management of complex and distributed network infrastructures. It involves a hierarchical approach to network management where multiple lower-level network management systems or managers are controlled and coordinated by a higher-level manager of managers. This model helps organizations effectively manage large, diverse, and geographically dispersed networks. So, managers of manager. The MOM server has a top-level management system responsible for overseeing and controlling multiple subnetwork management systems. It provides a centralized view and control over the entire network infrastructure. The MOM typically offers features such as network management, network monitoring, fault management, performance management, and configuration management. It collects data and status information from lower level managers and provides a unified and comprehensive view of the network's health and performance. With this, we come to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your time. Until the next time, thank you.